table of content is a much needed feature of any website. If we want to add a table of content on a website, we have to use a plugin or have to create it manually on your website, which is very hard for any user. But Team Happy Addons catches you up. You can directly apply the table of content feature to your writing through the table of content widget. Plus, we have added a custom style skin feature to make your table of content more attractive and engaging. You can create a timeline table of content, a slider table of content that look like Dropbox paper, and more. You have the freedom to choose the header tag, built-in sticky option. The interesting thing is that you can use our table of content widgets on any pages or post, and also in the single post templates. To use this cool feature, you would need to activate the Pro version of Happy Addons. Before that, do make sure to install and activate the free version of Elementor and Happy Addons. Now let's apply a table of content feature to a blog post by watching this video tutorial. Well, if you're new to the Happy Addons channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get time-to-time updates. Let's get started. Go to your preferred pages where you want to add the table of content widget. Then open the editing panel. Search for the widget and add it here. You can see it's showing a default view. Let's customize it and explore the options one by one. First, expand the table of contents and check the options step by step. Here, you can change the title of the table, and set the HTML tag for the table. Next, you can include and exclude the tag to appear here on the table. For that, pick up your preferred HTML tag. See, it's not showing any tags here. In the same way, do it for the exclude options. You can see the tag are not appearing on the table after you exclude them from here. Next, you need to set the container here. It's the most important part of this widget. You can define which specific headings of a section or columns will be shown in the table. Suppose you want to keep the headings in the table, not the footer and author. Let's see how to do it. Select the main body of your blog or the post widget or the text editor section. Go to Advanced and then add your preferred CSS classes here. Then select your table of contents and enter the CSS classes here. Remember one thing, don't forget to use dot in the class name. It's a CSS rule for writing a class name. You can see the author and footer headings are removed from the table of contents box. We have a custom style option. We'll talk about it later. You can set the marker style here. Numbers or bullets. Keep it as a bullet point or set an icon. If you select bullets, you can set the icon from the gallery. Also, you can enable the hierarchical view to concise the table. That means your long tail headings will get shorter in your table of contents. On the Settings tab, you can enable Word Wrap to hide all the text. Also, you can enable Minimize Box too. You can change the expand and collapse icons by clicking the icon library. The process is the same as changing the icon from marker view. Toggle the minimize on the option to set breakpoints for different devices at which your table of contents will always remain collapsed. Next, enable the scroll offset option. Here you can determine the number of pixels hidden from the view above the scrollable region. Using the scroll offset option, you can determine the number of pixels hidden from the view above the scrollable region. Let's see how it works. Enable the sticky option and you can set it in two ways. Sticky in place, you can just adjust the offset and z-index and the sticky in place. And custom position. But in the custom position, you can set your own position. Now, it's time to show the available options in the Style section. Click on it and you'll be able to design the box, header and list item. Expand the box style and you'll find two options, Classic and Gradient. Choose Classic and add background color. Loader color, border color, border width, border radius, minimum height, box shadow, and padding. Once again, open the box and choose the gradient. Here, adjust the first and second color along with the color location. Gradient type. Angle and the rest of the similar options. Now, open the header section. Here, add background color, text color, typography, icon color, separator width, and color. Lastly, open the List Item menu to stylize the list items of the table. Here you can add padding, max height, typography, and normal and hover effects. Change the icon color and size if necessary. Do the same process with the hover effect. Another interesting thing that you can add to your existing table is to add a custom style. Go back to the content section and you'll find the option Custom Style. Just enable it. From the drop-down menu, you can add 3 types of styles: Slides, Timeline, and List. So explore them and choose the best one that matches your page design. So this is how you could use the table of content widget on your Elementor site to provide a smart user experience. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe and follow our social channel for more information and regular tutorial videos like this one. Stay tuned!